Hello, my beautiful friends. Today, I'll show you powerful anti-aging face masks using one natural miracle, grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids. It smooths fine lines, restores elasticity, and deeply nourishes mature skin. Pure grapeseed oil massage. Use a few drops of pure grapeseed oil. Apply to clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Massage in soft circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it on overnight or rinse after 30 minutes. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, comment below and tell us where you're watching from. Second recipe, nourishment and firmness. Ingredients: 1 piece of banana, mashed, one teaspoon of grapeseed oil, benefits: this mask nourishes the skin, softens rough texture, and helps reduce wrinkles. How to use: apply the mixture to clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. If you like this recipe, like the video, leave a comment, and share it with a friend. Third recipe, glow and exfoliation. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil, ½ teaspoon of oat flour, ½ teaspoon of honey, benefits: this combination exfoliates gently, brightens the complexion, and hydrates the skin. How to use: apply evenly to clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe. More glow-boosting masks are coming soon. Fourth recipe, elasticity and smoothness. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil, 1 teaspoon of milk, ½ teaspoon of gelatin powder, benefits: improves firmness, reduces fine lines, and leaves the skin smooth and lifted. How to use: apply to clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Pat dry and apply moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Fifth recipe, collagen boost and radiance. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil, 1 teaspoon of orange juice, Benefits: Boosts collagen, brightens the skin, and improves texture. How to use: apply to clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Massage in soft circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse gently with warm water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Sixth recipe: Detox and Calm. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil, 1/2 teaspoon of neem powder, Benefits: detoxifies skin, reduces inflammation, and clears imperfections. How to use: apply to clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water and apply moisturizer. Use 1 to 2 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.